Let's learn how to change your X settings to see sensitive content. If you want to view sensitive content on Twitter but don't know how, you don't have to worry anymore. After watching this video, you will no longer have this problem. The first thing you need to do is go to any web browser. When you have opened the web browser, type in Twitter, and a page will open where it says x.com. You need to hold your finger on it, and more options will appear. From those options, you need to click on the option Open in New Tab. Once you've clicked that, the Twitter homepage will open, and you need to click on your profile icon. Your profile icon is located in the upper left corner of the screen. When you click on it, a menu with several options will open, and you need the option Settings and Privacy. When you click on Settings and Privacy, a page with many options will open. On that page, you need to click on the option Privacy and Safety. Once you've clicked on that, a page will open where you need to click on the third option, which is Content You See. On the page that opens, you will have several options, but you need to enable the option Display Media that may contain sensitive content. This option is at the top, and you can enable it by clicking on the square next to it. Once you enable that, on the same page, go to the last option, which is Search Settings. When you click on that, a page with two options will open where you need to disable the first option, which is Hide Sensitive Content. You can disable it by clicking on the square next to it, and once you click that, you will successfully be able to see sensitive content. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.